Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The plot to stop Pastor Umoeno, governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Akwa Ibom State, from contesting next year's election last week came against a brick wall. This came as a federal high court sitting in Uyo dismissed a suit filed by Mr. Akanoukon, a governorship aspirant of the PDP, alleging possession of fake voters card and birth certificate, as well as fake West African Examinations Council (WAEC) certificate by the PDP governorship candidate. The court, presided over by Justice Agatha Okeke, struck out the case for lack of merit, noting that the documents tendered by the plaintiff were not certified as required by law under Section 84 of the Evidence Act. The court further held that the claims made by Mr. Okon were based on assumptions and speculations and consequently awarded a 15 million naira cost against him. While counsel to the plaintiff, Okechukwu Amechi, was not available to comment on the judgment, lead counsel to the defendant, Paul Usoro, a senior advocate of Nigeria, spoke to journalists shortly after the judgment was delivered.
The court simply upheld the facts, what the position is. They did not tender any evidence. They did not invite the West African Examination Council to come in and speak in regard to those certificates. The Independent National Electoral Commission was not invited in regard to the alleged forgery of the voter's card. The plaintiff proved absolutely nothing as far as forgery is concerned, or any other thing for that matter.
The recent court judgment has been greeted with jubilation in the camp of Pastor Umoeno, which had been thrown into a state of apprehension since the suit was filed by the plaintiff.
Inside the Niger Delta,